Okay, we're doing a installation on a 2023 Mazda Miata MX-5. We've had this bracket. This is the 41 or 41A. And there's the front end here. So. Okay, we're going to remove these two factory screws using an 8mm socket. Okay, we're going to get our base plate. There's your base. Take the screw, put it through the bottom of the base, and then let's wash the spacer goes on top of that, up against your car. Fill in that little recessed area. Get the first one started before you tighten it down, and then get the other one, get that one started. Screwdriver. Take your Phillips. Yeah, the Phillips head definitely take longer than the socketed heads for sure.
Yeah.
Make sure it's tightened down, nice and snug. Should not be loose. So there you go. That's base plates installed, and you can take your front, find your pull pin, line up the rods, and it's. There you go. And then there's the.
You have your front plate.
What looks like the front there, and you're all done. Put your license plate on the front.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other 3 screws. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. There we go, last one. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.